My name is Carrie. I'm a CNA. I've been here for about 2 years. They're asking me what I enjoy most about my job working here, and it is everything. It's getting them up in the morning, it's making them smile, making sure they got enough to eat, making sure they're clean, taken care of. How I want to be treated is exactly how I treat these residents that have become my family. My heart is happy and full when I go home just from helping. You know, I just wish I would have done this years ago. I'm just here for the residents. It is the smile on their face, when they tell me thank you, when they tell me they love me. I feel like this is what I should have been doing for the longest time. That's why I just want to do right by them. They would still do right by us.